Welcome back to another mixology video.
I'm Lee.
And I'm Bree.
Today I'm going to show y'all how to make the Peachtree Punch.
Let's get inebriated. And that's how you make the Peachtree Punch. Great way to celebrate National Rum Day tomorrow. So definitely make this cocktail. It's a great, refreshing cocktail that's super creamy because of that coconut cream.
Yes.
So why don't you tell us a little bit about this drink?
Yeah, so again, another classic tiki drink brought to us by Martin and Kate from Smuggler's Cove. Again, I get a lot of ideas from there. Normally this drink calls for a lot of orange juice. I just swapped that out with pineapple juice just because I wanted to do my own little spin on there. I also used the coconut cream recipe from Smuggler's Cove. Super easy to make, highly recommend making it at home. You can make it in a blender, it's awesome. And then we finally got some fresh peaches around here. We're in North Carolina, so we're real close to good peach territory. Nice. So it's really nice to get some awesome peaches around here. And it's just a perfect fruity, peachy, creamy kind of drink.
Yeah, super refreshing, and I definitely like the frothiness that the ingredients bring to the drink. So. And
you have to drink it out of a mason jar.
Yeah, obviously. It's a peach drink. You have to drink the mason jar.
It's going to taste so much better.
We'll definitely check out the cocktail recipe down below in the description. We do cocktail classes and dinners here at the distillery throughout the year. So definitely check those out on our website as well as other cocktails on the website. And stay tuned on our YouTube channel because we are doing a whole renovation of our new location, the Mount Holly Cotton Mill, which is super exciting. But yeah, until next time on Inebriated.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.